How's it going, everyone? This is PK here from Wheaton Hyundai. We're going to be checking out a Tucson 2023 Preferred with Trend today. So one of my customers wanted to trade this in just to drive something smaller. This is a really strong, low kilometers, high value car. Has 17-inch strong tires. It's a Preferred with Trend, so you do get a sunroof. You also get electrical seats for your reclining. Has the front liners and the back liners as well. That's the kilometers on the car, so 25,176 to be precise. You're getting all of the interior features as well, including the heated seats for the driver, heated seats for the passenger, and the heated steering wheel. The car also comes with Blue Link, which means that the car can be controlled with the phone, with the application of our Blue Link. That is the sunroof. And you also get really nice trunk space. It also comes with a cargo tray at the back with foldable seats. So come down to the dealership if you are looking for an accessorized vehicle with less kilometers, a sunroof, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and lots of amazing features. This is PK here from Wheaton Hyundai. Happy to take you out for a